See,
Now,
on,
sir, given
20,
us, sir.
on 22, they have government has declared the sanction. So on 25th, Dr. Siva Kumar has sent the information to me, but today, as Haley is saying, without consultation, how the government is making these things again. See, we have all the papers today. The main 5 point, like we want this Loinloom to run as a mission. So it touch every village. That is our main. On 2014, we have collective consultation with the tribeswomen. And one of the main point is we want this to be a mission which touch all the village, and the policies and all we want to discuss with the government. That's what we have submitted to MD the previous year of what this we have today. So of course it is a very good news about the loom, but it's just come in the middle. So today we also, I want to share these things with the weavers also. Here, as we all know, our government has a kind of nature things which they just create one, things for all the country, which, the North cannot adapt, the South cannot adapt. So this kind of nature has to stop. We also want to question the government of Nagaland why they have not consulted the stakeholder if it is recognized. Last time, caravan, they tried to do it, and we stopped the caravan people. Who are you to do it for us? Because we have a lot of issues here. It has to come from the weavers, what they want. You cannot just decide, that because you have a a big name in consultancy. It has to come from the weavers, what they want. So without consulting the weavers, they cannot just create this. And of course, the problem in our state, we have a lot of about the women reservation and all these things, keep the state levels women busy. So we have not been able to, coordinate. And, but they are, morally they support us, though they have not been able to attend the meeting. And the opportunity of those, the scheme of Mudra and the housing and light, we also applied for the weavers. Like we have given opportunity to the best, weavers, but now it's 2 years, no response.
Only 9 people get in Nagaland. 9 people get.
Yeah, when I went to, yeah, see, and I have seen the list and I'm amazed, like the director wife, all these people are getting the housing, huh? And then the real weavers, they're not there. I was amazed when I have seen the list. So I stopped for some time meeting the Weaver Service Center also, because for people like us, we're very busy on the ground. We are not supported by any fund. We have to crawl on the ground, house to house. The weavers has to weave every day for their daily needs. So for the last 2 years, yes, some of the weavers, they have got Mudra loan. And it is not, the bank is not listening to what the weaver service has instructed. In this state, whenever a scheme or things, they never consult with the bank. They'll just come and then give the advertise, but they never contact the bank people. So the bank, they will just follow their procedure. So a lot of the weavers, they want the Mudra loan, but only a few has been able to take it. And some of also deficient because communication gap was there. So yes, unless we have a mission, we cannot make this program success. Even government of India have recognized it. It is just going to be one of the scheme unless handloom and handicraft, weavers service center, heard our voice today and, fix a kind of meeting, a consultative meeting with the weavers, the tribeswomen, how to, so in each step, each other, we have to help out each other to make this successful, because this is one of the best livelihood, in my state. The women, they are cultivators. They look after the domestic animal, and they do in the free time. It's home-based work. So some of the women, of course, when they migrate to, like some of the family, they have migrated from ancestral village to Dimapur, and if they don't have much land, they become full-time weavers. But in the village, all the women, they play the major role, Like I'm a consultant to Tata Trust also. We have one program which we will discuss that tomorrow. But even in this program, it is very difficult to, to make understand the big corporate of Tata Trust, There is so much in hurry about the numbers and all. So in this program, the program is a very good, detailed implementation program, which make the weavers into smart weavers, designer, weavers entrepreneurs. But to make all this success, it has to come with the education part. So without education part, these things is not going to success, which we also have a kind of communication gap with our colleagues or our team over there. So tomorrow, my colleagues will explain about the program. But one good thing is, in this program, a lot of school drop out. In the village, even 30 years, they don't know how to weave in the village, So about 150 people, those who doesn't know about the Loinloom, they have been trained under this program. And it is 15 days intensive, things, which now they're able to produce, and the product is in the ground. So, if we have a proper kind of program, if we have a proper kind of policy, if we have a proper kind of education, then only the program will be success. And above all, of course, every point is very important, but with the consultative, with the weavers, we have these 5 points which we already have in the paper today. So the most important one is mission, which can touch every village. Thank you.